This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Its top features include a power driver's seat, a dual-zone climate control system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, and steering wheel mounted controls, satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, and this vehicle has fewer than 44,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Anthony Buick GMC is located at 7225 Grand Avenue in Gurnee. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.